Today is the 33rd birthday of the 11th Panchen Lama, Gyöngyö Nyima, the second highest figure in Tibetan Buddhism, who was abducted by the Chinese government on 17 May 1995 when he was just 6 years old. The incident took place 3 days after His Holiness the Dalai Lama recognized him as the 11th Panchen Lama. The Chinese government forcefully took him and his family members and Chatel Rinpoche to an undisclosed location, and in the last 27 years, this is the only photo of 11th Panchen Lama that the world knows of. The Chinese government has robbed off Panchen Lama's identity and hope of the Tibetan people. In today's episode, let's discuss on the importance of 10th and 11th Panchen Lama on Tibet and the reason behind his abduction.
Let us pray for the Panchen Lama and all the Tibetan Buddhists in prison in China or missing for following their faith.
Human rights organizations have termed him the youngest political prisoner in the world.
He reincarnates as a child somewhere on earth, and traditionally, a key person in the process of finding him is someone called the Panchen Lama. And when the Panchen Lama dies, the Dalai Lama plays a similar role in finding him.
Ranzu pebala karasna namla ninda sunji sala jawab penjesi digi jawab yepseni se kechishorwa o digi jawab yepseni se di ani pela kadin chizuru di karasna ani nimadan dawa nanda jawab mchimana ani nima penjir mchina dawa ta nimadan dawa pele shaye de kharishego resna jigne karasna nyerimeba nine dola digitregiwa o dindegi ta pyo yongla chulu rime sagu rime dinde yongla jigin 지고 가서 작전기 기부 탐바지 된다 임바선다 다 벤지를 못 치den가 출루기 톤에 벽이 가서나다 섬리 우티 겨울음 치올라 섬리 우티 니버도시라 먼지 슈거리 온다 어딘지 기다 기부 탐바시라 먼지 슈거 벤지를 못 쳐서나 된다 차대고래 알 하바도 커둑래 쳐나 아니 벽이 댄서 친구 뜻이는 불라니 저러와 어디기 아니 가서나 건다트 차지 건배 건다트 차대시 어딘지 기다 라마 제지무치
In 1995, the Chinese government, in a bid to win the hearts and minds of the Tibetans, selected Gelsen Nobu, a 6-year-old boy from Nakchu, as the 11th Panchen Lama in Tibet. But many Tibetans revile him as the fake and consider him as a mere puppet of the Chinese government.
The boy chosen by the Chinese government is not accepted by the Tibetan Buddhists.
So the issue is much bigger than just looking at the Panchen Lama and where is he and how do we get him out. The issue is much bigger than that.
So Panchen Lama for Tibetan Buddhist society is extremely important in the sense that Buddhist society is organized in a way that the political organizations, societies are connected through the tenets of Buddhism. So in that sense, reincarnation plays an important religious and political leadership in Tibetan society. So in that sense, particularly with the Tibetan government that was formed in 17th century, Panchen Lama and His Holiness the Dalai Lama are extremely important, both in temporal and spiritual sense.
다음에 견학이 가르치지 등은지 겨울음 지응은지 제주들라 당len치 두고요 말했으나 견학이 벽이 다왕기 내도에서들라 그주기 다 심사 조트 로규기 톤에 심사요 말 덴바요 말다 그주기 심사루지 칼라 아데 양대 친대요랬으나 견학이 별라 왕주치에디 직 팀도인 세조로 거주기디 팀도 인 시사디 라메 양승은지 슈에디 아니 야나슌라 촉진 슈고 요세다 아니 야나슌기 멘주 코메테 요기 세붐 두지 아니 라메 양승은지 슈고 학바도 디난데 겨워 벤지 주베 그 토림라진 됐었어요 디 난에다 겨워 벤지 니데 아니 응은지 슈전 야나 멘주 코말라 촉진 슈지 세붐 두고에 딘데 유리 망보시 거주기 셰디 다데 가드니 중에서나 야나 호란제 셰에들라 식동 dwin제 급주 코니로라니 세붐 두게기 람루지 다링 시고래 다 뭔내 전에 된다지 중도 세도서 된다 게나 맨주기 이제도 뭐요 맨주랑기 이제고 정한주기 깨지셔 맨주랑기 이제고 그것도 되급디 그것도 아니 실붐 달래요데 이나라 가르스나데 디시 된전 이슈 접디는 이제 깨지셔고 그래서 가르스나 네 멤버십 디시 된전 이슈 접디는 멤버나 실붐래 와르데 인직 실붐 두고요세데 다 매와데 하고 거지 근데 된다 간절라 제나기 된다지 템베 체르세틀라 세붐 두게데 안 당부들라 샤야 저변진이 안데 디시든진 유체구데 라렌타라 멤버선자 아니 벽이 따완데 제나르세 깨제 코즈 딜라 심살로 지면서 셴바 로규도네 고 심두고요 말
So in order to gain legitimacy, if they can appoint a Panchen Lama that they think they can control, it all rests on the fact that they can somehow wrench legitimacy and enforce their legitimacy on the Tibetan people.
So far, the case of Panchen Lama was discussed to the Working Group of Enforced and Involuntary Disappearances, Committee on the Rights of the Child, interventions by the Special Rapporteur on Freedom of Religion and Belief. In 2015, the Chinese government spokesperson stated that the Panchen Lama is being educated, living a normal life, growing up healthy, and does not wish to be disturbed. And more recently says he is a college graduate with a job. These are the only information Chinese government provided about the 11th Panchen Lama. To understand the Chinese government's treatment of the 11th Panchen Lama, we must understand the lives of his predecessor, the 10th Panchen Lama, Losam Tile Luntup Chöki Gyaltsen, who was the contemporary of the 14th Dalai Lama. He spent the initial years in Tibet together before the Chinese invasion of Tibet in 1959. The 10th Panchen Lama stayed back during the troubling times in Tibet, while His Holiness the Dalai Lama and 80,000 of Tibetans went to exile in India.
진짜 순배 세바 줍도 광다데 말하시네. 배우머리 누구는 태양머리. 화가 저러다가 화가네 벤지미 되는 처리시피. 처리 십대씩 처리시피. 다이네 처리디 이게 저토도 못해서 당에 메시. 신 처리시피. 내주도도 송송스 다 지단들이지 셴이 내주 십대시피.
안다 두스 체제다 겨울무치 두스 야갈치미나 안 벤지르무치 디네 숨주 숨베기 니슈 제기 닌데 자나슌 카르스나다 페사네스 슝라니네 메바서인라 페사네스 주스는 안주기 페슝데라고 페슝 메바서인 다 페슝 고말기 페슝 람루저로 대 창마메와 숨설게 대단다 재미기 신행을 지기 대 뒤전치기도와 아니 메바서지 아니 카르스나 벤지르무치 아니 겨울무치 lokchobe tsendi cheres digi tsabla nekapchi benjir muchide ani ranjon chung tungring lezabins geurum chingi kuzapro chechi be geurum je shodo perwa on digi tsabde benjir muchins o tuksi gochi nedang tenda chader ngapchung gu paratu ngapchung gu trujute paratu tenda chader.
The period of 1960s saw a massive destructions and terrible times in Tibet under the hands of brutal forces of the Chinese government. In 1962, seeing the poor state of the country and witness to all the unjust treatment of the Tibetan people, Panchen Lama put forward the most daring 70,000 charter petition directed to the Mao Zedong, critiquing the Chinese government's policies in Tibet.
The 70,000 character petition is an extraordinary document, and you can study this document through various lenses. Most of the scholars that have studied this document so far have been describing this document as a sort of a petition, a sort of a report concerning the plight of the Tibetan people. But for me, I think if you look at this document, you can see this document as a historical document or as an ethnographic document. So what he was able to do, what I mean by historical document is that if during the democratic reform period in Tibet, Tibet has witnessed an unprecedented scale of destruction of Tibetan culture, people's lives, and cultural heritage at the time. And if you wanted to study that period, we are left with very little documentary evidence to study that period. So in that sense, that document is an important historical document. what I mean by ethnographic document is that while documenting this report, he went around pretty much most parts of Tibet, and not only in Tibet, but he was able to go to many other parts of the so-called minority regions to be able to study and look for himself and record what is happening. So if you look at it from that perspective, it is an ethnographic document. So his study of those people that was undergoing such turmoil, he was able to document it, and it is extraordinary in the sense that nobody in the party Marxist-Leninist structure was able to question Mao Zedong. He was Mao Zedong as power holder at the time. So he was, since the fall of Pangdanghui, he is perhaps the first person within that structure to be able to question the way the leadership was actually organizing in this region.
미릭 쌈에 땅에 시주 레마도베기 시대기 망주주주 세다 약보를 생주学者단이나 마짜고레스 이나 계란주 깐나 예지 마지베 육벌 렙중 지역이 마체대하니 페미릭 쌈에 수역이 계란 체시레도 미국 멤버레도 어딘자 임바선도 대사와 니네 찍으면도 대 모두시 공부야 인지 말했어 대 산에 바라라 가르스나 다 유다 산에서 저러 어디 바라 산에기 뱀보디기 시주 록바 페이지 체교 된다 인지레스 제단 니기 내주 페미만기 된다 양심배기 동안양 까른 된다 동안 양심보다 페미릭 착직이 내서 유르와디 내기 모두시라 가르스나 니시슈기 데네시슈나 표기내주 엄마데 야나 모두시 하고야나 시주 된다지 배기 모두시 자원이네 인지 말레스 어디 저 벤저문제 제든 대치.
As a result of his criticism towards the Chinese government and for his daring act, the 10th Panchen Lama was sentenced to 14 years in detention, torture and multiple public humiliation, especially during the period of Cultural Revolution. Upon his release from prison in 1977, he worked for the well-being of Tibetan people and devoted his time towards rebuilding Tibetan culture, including monasteries and schools.
권해라서 나요 말에. 다 뒤주 던제 예언 되지니 권해라서 별라 용하디 피집주나디 뒤주 던구 예언 되니 뒤주 던구 계준이 쳐야 되고 그래. 최장 딱 계준 쳐야 되고 계준에 계주 결국 바로 로주이나라. 딱 벤지름 붙이 차갈래 빼미스베 쇼지나요라. 진짜 얘기지도 다 된다는 거지 벽이 릭슝 학바도 벽에 있단 집에 릭슝 또 미리지 냐르자서 미리 군지 치고네 디 깨나 이걸 되고 되어라 디 돌아 벤지를 묻지 쇼지 가르스나 배전나요라 아니 소소 페바 인세기 직 셈감 중에지요라 디 돌아 뽑아 쇼실람나요 학바도 디나니 벽이 정말로 무슨 독서 직디 치고에 농전루단 진짜 얘기 이와 몇교 디기 뭐 쇼지 tuynaayora shin rigne sajelani dikapsu changma manne sharwa ani phebal lani deta nganji lowa lo shitigiwar.
Another interesting aspect, if you look at how the power structure is operating in Tibet as of now, under this power structure that is operating, is that as of now we do not have a single Tibetan voice who can edify that voice as the Panchen Lama did then. Instead, what we have now is a circulation of strongman leadership who is experimenting on how to create a security apparatus and how to use that security apparatus to control societies. So that is a sharp contrast, and I could imagine that would be a sharp contrast. We do not have any kind of Tibetan leadership who is in Tibet to be able to use those interstices, spaces, and to be able to negotiate rights of the Tibetan people within those interstices of the power structure that is imposed on Tibet.
On 28 January 1989, the 10th Panchen Lama passed away suddenly under mysterious circumstances, and many believe the Chinese government's hand behind his death. But nevertheless, the issue is definitely a debated one, and one should ask the question of what led to his sudden death given the political situation in Tibet at the time.
내히면서 전juk 체는 되게요 말에 두슬로샤는 벤지름지 신앙 신남에 깔로 시원한 거래 아니 벤지름지 깔로 나나니 간주신의 지두기 속소 셴바서래 걔나 개념에 팀에서 우연자 셴발라니들 내가 딘제요 내가 벤지름지 매와 마스는 하니 라크기 매와도 그즈라트지 신의 구종의 길레시 담자습니다.
The search for the 11th Panchen Lama Gyöngyö Chögyön Nyima still looms large, and Tibetans and Buddhists around the world are hopeful to see him one day soon.
내가 차고도 겨울문제라는 게 내가 라송도 나로 기죽급줄래도 고수 아니 텐디기 충실을 묻힌데 로숨 주십주 날래기 땡에 죽더니 내가 차고 근데 내가들 제가 마음바 법ът 상말로 그 무트지 셈리 우티지 겨울문제 꾸마슈비급 셈리 우티지 그거나 아니 벤지구진 죽지밖에 된 추진이마데 원래서는 나가시 오식 차되고 그래 땡안주기 찍거스나 벽이 부구 즉 아니 개나기 칼손 참에 젠디체지 만주 탑저자 마임바 마음 벽이 탑저기 또슈기 셈리 우티직 겨울음치 구초슈 매백값을 가서 찹치 툼예직 만주기 단단해 가서나 세기요보다 니 개침부 진지 아니 벤지르무치 로저규에다 벤지르무치 가서 만주주 라완롱벌 딘디슈럽치에다 베준 치에데 내가 치슈 통구요
We still should ask the independent bodies of the United Nations and international community to be able to engage with the Chinese government, and we still need to ask and question about his behavior, because at the end of the day the burden of proof is with the Chinese government. They are the one who should be informing the world about his whereabouts, because they were involved in his abduction, so the burden of proof lies in their hands. So we should continue to question and use any space available to question any kinds of rights abuses in Tibet, and then particularly with the question of the Panchen Lama.